In this video, I am taking you to Mauritius to show how easy it is to find Indian groceries in the UK, along with the best Easter deals, cakes, mini donuts, £1 sugar donuts, pick and mix bakery treats, and the cutest Easter chocolates available at unbelievable prices. Plus, the Asian evening snacks, which are quite rare for Mauritians. And don't miss the hidden £1 section packed with amazing deals that most people completely miss. Let's dive in.
हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्वानीर ब्लॉग।
यूके में इंडियन ग्रोसरी मिलना आसान है या डिफ़िकल्ट? आज हम आए हैं मॉरिशस और हम देखेंगे यहाँ इंडियन ग्रोसरी में क्या क्या अवेलेबल है।
और ईस्टर भी आ चुका है, तो देखते हैं ईस्टर के लिए क्या क्या सरप्राइजेस है अंदर।
So let's get started. So we just grabbed a trolley from the parking area. They are kept in these small shelter type spaces.
As soon as we entered Morrison, we immediately noticed the festive setup. Happy Easter banners everywhere.
So the first best deal that we found were fresh fruits. So these are 3 for £5 mix and match offer. And we grabbed the offer.
There is also a flower section with offers like 2 bouquets for £6. This adds to the overall Easter experience.
Next is the bakery section, and this is where most Easter deals are.
You will find donuts, mini donuts, cupcake, brownies, carrot cakes, and even donuts cakes as well.
Prices start from as low as £1 and go up to around £12 depending upon the item. This range makes it suitable whether you are buying for daily use or for small celebrations.
But there's more beyond bakery. Let's keep exploring.
नीरज को कैरेट केक बहुत पसंद आया.
We explored the cheese section and saw a lot of variety. We picked one to try something different.
We also noticed Asian style snack items.
तो ये समोसे, पकौड़े एंड वेजी रैप्स देख के तो मुझे सही में खाने का मन करने लगा.
हाँ, सच में. So the veggies section has got almost every Indian vegetables. यानी इंडिया में मिलने वाले ऑलमोस्ट सभी ग्रीन वेजिटेबल यहाँ आसानी से अवेलेबल हैं. So all these vegetables are really fresh and are available in good reasonable price. We also noticed items like cress and ready cut fruit boxes which are quite convenient.
Now we are in kids essential section where you can find everything required for kids.
Be it diapers or shampoo, body lotions and even chips and snacks.
और इसके बाद हम लोग आ गए पर्सनल केयर सेक्शन में जहाँ कुछ डिफरेंट ही हमने नोटिस किया.
A particular hand wash here costs 2.45 but the same product is available for 1.50 in the Poundland.
We have already covered this in our £1 store video which is about Poundland.
This shows knowing where to buy what saves you a lot of money. So if you haven't done yet, subscribe now. We noticed a large makeup wall with a good variety of products available. From everyday essentials to different brands, there were plenty of options to choose from. So you can easily pick up beauty products along with the regular grocery shopping. Mauritius has a really wide range of bakery items. We found a pick and mix section with fresh rolls and pastries where you can choose exactly what you need. One of the standout deals we noticed was on the donuts. 6 sugar donuts for just £1. That's a very good value, especially for a quick snack option.
Overall, the variety in the bakery section is quite impressive. The bakery section here has something for everyone.
We then reached the Asian section and this is where Mauritian becomes very useful.
We found variety of noodles, Maggi with authentic taste of India. One of the best deals we noticed was rice, £9 for 5 kg and 13 for 10 kg, which felt cheaper compared to many other stores.
Other most Indian grocery essentials like pulses, wheat flour, oil, snacks are also available here easily.
टी लवर्स के लिए तो यहाँ टी टाइम स्नैक्स भी अवेलेबल है जैसे रस्क और वैरायटी ऑफ नमकीन्स.
Easter section is full of adorable decorations, chocolates, gifts, and the best part, you don't have to spend a fortune to grab it. Everything here is really affordable. The Easter chocolate section is like a wonderland. Tiny chocolates, colorful treats, and giant gift boxes all lined up. Prices start from just 75p and goes up to £11. So there's something for every budget. It's perfect for gifting, decorating, or just treating yourself. Next up to the stationery and entertainment section. And wow, it's like mini treasure trove. Colorful notebooks, pens, and art supplies to DVDs, books, and the games for both kids and adults. It's amazing to see DVDs still being bought. There are so many titles available for all ages. And for kids, the section is full of little treats and fun things to keep them entertained. We even found £1 deal on some really cool items. Perfect if you want to grab something fun without spending too much. Next, we checked out the cereal section, and it's real lifesaver for quick breakfast. Sometimes smart shopping isn't just about deals, it's about convenience too. And then the frozen food section. It's great to see such a variety, perfect for anyone who wants to save time in the kitchen without compromising on options. And next, we explored the clothing section, and wow, there's a lot to choose from. It's really convenient. You can grab groceries and check out the latest outfits in one trip. The bright colors and practical styles really stands out, making it easy to pick what you need for the season. Children's summer collections are already out and there are casual and seasonal pieces for all. Next we came to the salad bar, and this was a little fun experience. You can mix your own salad exactly the way you like it. A really convenient option if you want something fresh on the go. Prices are clear: 4.5 for large, 3.5 for medium, and 2.5 for small. Perfect if you want a quick, healthy addition to your meal. It's not something you see in every supermarket, so it felt like a unique feature here at Mauritians. Finally, we reached the checkout and wrapped up our shopping. Trolley full, baskets packed, everything ready to take home.
हो गई शॉपिंग। ट्रॉली भर के शॉपिंग हुई है।
अपने 2-3 हफ्ते की शॉपिंग हो गई है। मेनली फ्रूट्स और वेजीज ही हमने लिया है और अच्छी डील्स है मॉरिशन के अंदर। राइस एंड आटा बहुत अच्छे रेंज में है, दूसरे शॉप में कंपेरेटिवली हमें इससे ज़्यादा पड़ा था, यहाँ सही है। और सैलेड वाला सेक्शन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है यहाँ पे। तो सैलेड आप कंबाइन करके ले सकते हो और यहाँ कैफ़े भी है, वहाँ बैठ के आराम से खा सकते हो।
हमारी ईस्टर की शॉपिंग हो चुकी है।
बहुत सारे ईस्टर के केक्स वगैरह लिए हमने। अच्छी डील है, अगर ईस्टर के लिए आना चाह रहे हो यहाँ आकर के शॉपिंग कर लो।
और यहाँ पे पार्किंग के लिए काफी स्पेस है, आप देख सकते हो मेरे पीछे, तो बहुत बड़ा पार्किंग है, तो उसके लिए कोई दिक्कत होने वाला नहीं है।
स्वानी डायरीज में हम यूके के अंदर डिफरेंट जगह ट्रैवल के भी वीडियोस डालते हैं, प्लस लाइफस्टाइल रिलेटेड बहुत सारे बेनिफिशियल एंड आपके रियली हेल्पफुल वीडियोस को डालते हैं। और लाइक करिए, कमेंट करिए एंड बने रहिए स्वानी डायरीज के साथ। तो हमारे साथ बने रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिए।
तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।
टेक केयर।